If today's trading session is an indication of how this month is going to go, investors had better buckle up. The day started with a pretty powerful rally. The Dow was up as much as 300 points, essentially gaining back what was lost yesterday when the Fed cut interest rates and then hinted that there might not be any more. But everything changed at midday when President Trump tweeted that he planned to impose another 10% in tariffs on $300 billion of Chinese goods, and the market reaction was immediate and sizable. The industrial average fell 280 points, 26,583. The Nasdaq was down 64. The S&P slipped by 26. And companies most vulnerable to higher tariffs were especially hit hard, including Caterpillar, Boeing, and Apple. Eamon Javers starts us out tonight from the White House.
President Trump spoke to reporters at the White House today after issuing that series of tweets suggesting he's going to be raising tariffs on Chinese products coming into the United States. He said he wasn't concerned at all about that stock market sell-off that we saw this afternoon in the wake of his announcement. He said he expected that, and he effectively here blames the stock market for not fully understanding what he's doing in terms of his tariff strategy. I asked the president on the South Lawn today, why 10%? Why not 25%? Why not 5%? Here's what he said.
I did more than anybody thought with the first $250 billion, and the 10% is for a short-term period, and then I can always do much more or I can do less, depending on what happens with respect to a deal. But I'm very happy the way it is right now.
So the president leaving himself a little flexibility there to raise or lower the tariff rates as he sees fit. That all puts a lot of pressure now on this meeting in Washington, D.C. in early September between the U.S. and Chinese sides. Negotiators will meet again face to face. Will this tariff increase put pressure on the Chinese side to come to a deal, or will it drive them farther away from the bargaining table? That's the big question heading into September. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Eamon Javers at the White House.